to start with saying you get what you pay for. As everything is evolving and moving forward, energy costs do not go down. There's always a payback to everything we purchase this day and age when it comes to improved equipment. And when you consider the payback period, generally 3-4 years, you're not wasting your money by buying a higher efficiency piece of equipment, whether it be an air conditioning with a higher SEER rating or a furnace with a DC motor. You do not waste your money with upgrading to higher efficiencies. So I would probably recommend to you, you get the highest efficiency rating that's available to you at this day, because that will be the standard in the future. The standard never drops, the standard always rises.